Now we understand artificial intelligence, AI, advantages, disadvantages, or role in industrial development. Hello and welcome to Consumer Times, your go-to source for insightful discussions on consumer trends, environmental concerns, and sustainable living. Today, we delve into a crucial topic: artificial intelligence. AI has emerged as one of the most revolutionary technologies of the 21st century. It simulates human intelligence processes by using algorithms and large data sets, enabling machines to perform tasks that traditionally require human intervention. From powering smart assistants like Alexa and Siri to automating industrial processes, AI is reshaping multiple industries worldwide. While AI brings numerous advantages, it also raises concerns about security, ethics, and employment. This article explores the meaning of AI, its benefits and drawbacks, and its significance in driving industrial development. Before break it down, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Consumer Times to motivate us. Artificial intelligence refers to the ability of machines to perform cognitive tasks such as learning, problem solving, reasoning, and decision making. AI systems are designed to analyze large amounts of data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. There are two broad categories of AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform a single task effectively. Examples include virtual assistants like Google Assistant and recommendation systems used by Netflix and Amazon. General AI, still theoretical, aims to perform any intellectual task that a human can do, including reasoning, planning, and creativity. It remains a goal for future AI research. AI systems operate using three main components: data collection and processing. AI models require large datasets to analyze and learn patterns. Algorithms and models. Algorithms define the rules that AI systems follow to process data and make decisions. Training and learning. Machine learning, milliliter, and deep learning, DL, models improve over time by analyzing data and refining their predictions. Advantages of artificial intelligence are repetitive and time-consuming tasks, reducing human intervention and enhancing efficiency. Industries such as manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare use AI-powered robots to streamline processes and increase output. AI algorithms, especially in sectors like healthcare and finance, provide high accuracy by eliminating human errors. AI-powered diagnostic tools can detect diseases like cancer in early stages, enabling timely intervention. By automating tasks, AI reduces operational costs and minimizes human error. Businesses save on labor costs, and predictive maintenance powered by AI prevents costly equipment failures in industries. AI processes vast amounts of data and extracts meaningful insights to help businesses make informed decisions. Predictive analytics, powered by AI, helps industries forecast market trends and optimize production. AI-powered systems and chatbots can operate continuously without fatigue, ensuring round-the-clock service. This is particularly useful in customer service and online retail sectors. AI enhances customer experiences by analyzing user preferences and delivering personalized recommendations. Streaming platforms, e-commerce websites, and digital marketing agencies leverage AI to tailor content for individual users. Disadvantages of artificial intelligence are: AI-driven automation can replace human labor, especially in repetitive and low-skilled jobs. This may lead to job losses and socio-economic challenges, particularly in developing nations. Implementing AI systems requires significant investments in infrastructure, technology, and workforce training. Small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, often struggle to afford AI adoption. AI lacks human intuition, empathy, and moral reasoning. In complex situations requiring ethical considerations, AI systems may fail to make morally sound decisions. AI systems are vulnerable to cyber attacks, data breaches, and misuse. Hackers can manipulate AI models to generate biased or harmful outcomes, raising concerns about data security and privacy. AI models trained on biased datasets may perpetuate social and racial biases. Algorithms can inadvertently reinforce discrimination in hiring processes, credit approvals, and law enforcement decisions. AI plays a crucial role in transforming traditional manufacturing into smart factories. Through predictive maintenance, quality control, and process optimization, AI enhances productivity and minimizes downtime. Industry 4.0, characterized by IoT, robotics, and AI, is driving the next wave of industrial innovation. AI-powered analytics enable industries to predict demand, manage inventory, and optimize supply chains. AI-driven forecasting ensures that businesses can respond quickly to changes in consumer preferences. AI is improving workplace safety through real-time monitoring of equipment and employee activities. AI models predict potential hazards and prevent accidents, ensuring a safer work environment. AI accelerates innovation by analyzing vast datasets and generating insights. Pharmaceutical companies use AI to expedite drug discovery, while automotive industries leverage AI to design fuel-efficient vehicles. AI contributes to sustainable development by optimizing energy consumption in industries. Smart grids and AI-powered energy management systems reduce energy wastage and promote environmental sustainability. Industries are using AI to offer personalized products and services at scale. AI enables real-time customization, improving customer satisfaction and driving brand loyalty. As AI continues to evolve, industries face several ethical and regulatory challenges. Key concerns include data privacy and security, ensuring the protection of sensitive information, ethical AI deployment, preventing bias and discrimination in AI models. Accountability and transparency, establishing accountability for AI-driven decisions. Governments and regulatory bodies must work together to develop policies that promote responsible AI development and use. AI is set to revolutionize industries further with advancements in machine learning, natural language processing, NLP, and computer vision. Autonomous systems, collaborative robots, and AI-powered analytics will drive unprecedented efficiency, productivity, and innovation. However, striking a balance between technological progress and ethical responsibility will be key to ensuring AI benefits society as a whole. Artificial intelligence has the potential to transform industries, making them more efficient, cost-effective, and customer-centric. While AI presents numerous advantages such as automation, precision, and personalized experiences, it also poses challenges like job displacement, privacy concerns, and ethical dilemmas. As industries continue to integrate AI into their processes, a responsible and balanced approach will be essential to ensure that AI-driven development contributes positively to society. If you found this discussion insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Consumer Times. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay informed and stay sustainable.